When you log into your Net Signals app, this is the first page. You see the home page. There are different options here. You have the Signals button, you have the Autotrade, you have the journal, then you have the referrals code. Referrals code. So referrals code, this is where you get the referrals code. You can copy referrals code to share, or you share the link, then give code to users who register under you. Work with your team. If you have a group of traders, or you refer people on social media or wherever, so you can earn as well via trading and referral commissions. So if you want to see your signals, you simply tap on signals, then the signals you pick will be the one displaying. For you to get signals, first of all, go to your, if you just log in, first of all, if you are very new to the platform, once you tap on signals, it will show you options to select your pairs. But since I've already done that, I can go to the profile option. When I go to the profile, then I'll be able to select market preference. Now, if you are on trial, you first of all start with trial. There is option to start with trial, but trial has a limited coin selections, very few. I take about 10 coins or so. If you are on trial, you'll be able to select only very few markets. So now let's say I am on trial, or if I have subscribed to any of the plans, then I can select any of the market where I want to be getting signals from. So if I trade both crypto and Forex, I can select both markets. Then let's say I'm on free trial or pro plan or basic plan or elite plan. Then once I tap on the market, then the options for me to pick the pairs I want to be getting signals for will be there. I have, let's say on crypto and Forex, I select Euro USD, GBP USD. If you look at the top here, this account now is on pro plan. I have the option to select 4 Forex pairs. So let's say I select this, I select this. So now my Forex plan is completed. That is the only number I'll be able to select. Then if I go to the Forex crypto option, if you look at the top right here, this is 4/15 pairs. So on pro plan, you are able to select total of 15 pairs from any of the markets, but excluding gold, because gold is exclusively for elite package. So let's say I now tap on other pairs. So now the 15 pairs are complete. Then I tap on save. Once I save, then I go back to home. Then I will start getting signals when signals come. So if I'm using just the signals, I can decide to be taking journal. So any of the signal I pick, let's say I pick this Solana trade, I tap on it, then you can see more details about the signals here. This signal now has strength of 7 confluences. Mind you, the elite plan has more details about the signals. If you look at the top here, it says for best result, focus on moderate to strong signals only. Weak signals carry higher risk and lower win probability. We advise skipping them. So when you receive signals, especially if you are trading manually, it's advisable to ignore those that write weak probability on them, like these two signals here. Now this is okay, this double signals, this is the same pair that came at this time. This is Solana, it has high probability. Then once you want to keep journal on your accounts on this app, you can, once you know you have taken the signal, you tap on signal taking. So now signal is taking. Maybe later the signal has the trade has closed, whether you trade your trade manually, whether it hit TP or it hit SL, then you can come back to this same signal you have taken. You tap on close trade. Then if you go back to your trade always have entry and exit points. You type in the entry position, the entry price, then the point which you close, you type it there, then you tap on close trade. Therefore it will be able to record the details of the trade. So then once you go to the journal, it will help to be keeping details of the number of trades you took and whether it was a loss or a win. This journal will help to keep all those details. So that is how you utilize the signal option. So the signals fires mostly every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes of the hour you receive signals. Then that can keep you at alert. If you have not installed the app before, on your installation of the app, you tap on receive notification. That will help you to receive notifications when signals drop, which is a very good thing. So those are the parts. So if you want to subscribe to any plan, under your profile you tap on subscription. There you have different options to subscribe. Now you have the basic plan. You can only trade 10 pairs, that is limited figures. Then you have the elite plan. You'll be able to trade all markets and 15 cryptos, just like I displayed before. Then you have the elite plan. This is the highly recommended one, the elite plan. This is where you have access to all the markets, all the pairs, and you have more details and have a preferential treatment on elite plan. So then if you want to connect your crypto exchange, you have the option to connect either Binance or Bybit so that the app will auto trade for you. You have the options to use either Bybit or use Binance account. So before you can trade on Autotrade, before you can do auto trading, you need to buy Nest Fuel. Nest Fuel is the gas that enables the auto trade. So once you tap on subscription, you scroll down, then you tap on top up. Once you tap on top up, okay, first of all it's asking that I top up, I connect my exchange. So you have the option to buy your coins first, which is the Nest Fuel. So if you want to buy Nest Fuel, then you say tap on Nest Fuel top up, then tap on top up. You have the option to buy minimum of $15 Nest Fuel, but you can see $50 is recommended. Why? Because you get 5% discounts. So, and this discount, if you have not made use of your referral commission sign up code before, you have the option to also make use of uh, the the promo code, the sign up discount will apply even while this 5% discount is there. So that means you now have 20 plus 5, that is about 25% discount on your first subscription. Then there is still the option to make use of the promo code which is currently going on. Under this coupon code, you type in next gift, then that will give you option of reduce this thing, option of reduce discount. So you have discount there. So let's say you want to get the 50 option, the $50 option next for, then you click on that. You'll see that the discount has been applied. You can see instead of 50 you are getting 35.6 to be paid. So that means over 40% discount, I think, that has been removed. Then you copy this address, you pay this amount to the wallet address you see there. Then after you have sent the coin, you copy the hash code of the transaction, then you paste it there, then you submit. Then the platform will verify and approve your next foil, and your next foil will be credited to your wallet here at the top. Now if you want to trade the platform with Autotrade, the next video will give you more details on how to connect your exchange, either the crypto exchange or you want to connect your Forex account, because this platform is working with capital.com broker. So that is the only Forex broker that can be used along with this platform to auto trade Forex. Unless you are trading manual, that is when you use just the signals. You get the signals, then you go to any other broker to trade manually. But if you want to auto trade on the platform, you have to connect to capital.com exchange for Forex. Then for crypto, you have to use Binance, or you have to use Binance, or Bybit. So that is that. See you on the next video.